usual, hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now I like to use natural remedies on my skin, and when I use my natural remedy I tend to get this amazing glow. Now if you're looking to lift and firm the skin, if you're looking to raise your cheekbones a bit to give you a natural glow, a more Botox like effect, guess what I'm gonna do for you today? I'm gonna show you what I personally use to get mine looking like this, and you can do the same at home. So follow me to the kitchen and let's do this together.
Now today I'm going to be using pomegranate, and I'm using it for its antioxidant. The pomegranate juice can help replenish dry, dull skin. It is also a good source of vitamin C, which when applied topically to the skin can help to improve the skin texture and brightness. Pomegranate also will help to hydrate the skin, and it will leave the skin with a natural glow. So to use the pomegranate, the first thing I'm going to do is to extract the seeds. Now when it comes on to the pomegranate, you can use everything. You can use the peel for facial scrub, and you can use the seed for your facial serum, and you can also use the pulp for your facial toner. Really an amazing ingredient to use on the skin overall, regardless of your skin type. Now to extract the pomegranate seed, you simply need to cut open the pomegranate, and this is really a nice one, and I just like to use my hands to extract the seeds. I just break it apart like I'm showing here. And oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. I enjoy eating pomegranate, guys. That's why I always have pomegranate at home. So I'm just going to take my fingers and I'm just going to slowly roll the seeds out. That's how easy it is. Now when it comes onto the membrane of the pomegranate, which is basically the husk of the pomegranate, guys, don't throw it out. Put it away to use in your facial scrub. Now, once we have all the seeds together, I'm going to extract the juice. Now, I do not like to add water to my pomegranate when I'm using it in my facial. I like to use the natural, fresh pomegranate juice. So I am using my hands to extract the juice the old-fashioned way. So just juice it with your hand. You can also choose to put this in a cloth and pound on it, but the easiest way is to extract the juice with your hands. And once you do that, just strain, and here you have your fresh pomegranate juice. So now let's put this aside and move on to the next ingredient. Now our next ingredient is egg, another amazing ingredient to use on the skin, especially when you're looking to tighten, firm the skin and smooth wrinkles on fine lines. Egg can be used in improving skin texture, whether it be dry or oily skin. The yolk are rich in fatty acid and can lend moisture to the skin, while the egg white contain albumin, a simple form of a protein that helps to tighten the skin and also remove excess oils from the skin. Today I'm going to be using the egg white, so I'm just going to separate the yolk from the white. I personally like using the yolk to mix it with some yogurt to use on my skin. When I'm looking to tighten and firm it, I like to use the egg white. So extract the egg white as I'm showing here and do it the way you personally prefer to do it. And take a look at this. Here we have our fresh egg white. And now guys, we are going to put this aside also with the pomegranate juice and move on to our third ingredient. Our third ingredient is lemon, and I'm using lemon today for its vitamin C properties. Lemon will help to lighten and brighten the skin. It also is great for oily skin, remove excess oil and sebum from the skin. Now when I mix this lemon, guys, with the pomegranate, this is a strong boost of vitamin C on the skin. When you mix it with eggs, your skin is gonna get clearer, tighter, firmer, and that is exactly why I like this combination, guys. So now that we have all our three ingredient prep and ready, we have egg white, we have pomegranate juice, and we also have our fresh lemon. Let's do some measurements. For pomegranate juice, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the pomegranate juice. You really do not need a lot since a little goes a long way. And then for our egg white, I'm going to use a tablespoon of egg white. Pouring this in. And let me go back for a little more since my spoon wasn't totally full. And there you have it, 1 tablespoon of the egg white. And for our lemon juice, we are using just a half of a teaspoon of the lemon juice. A good substitute for the lemon juice is some dried orange peel, or you can choose to use some orange itself, grapefruit, or lime in this. And let's pour this in. Make sure to get rid of the lemon seeds. You do not need those in there. And you can also choose to use some kiwi in this recipe since it also contains an high amount of vitamin C. And now we're going to use a fork to whisk. You can also choose to whisk this in the blender. However, I prefer to use a fork to whisk. And the fragrance that is coming from this is amazing. What happened is that the citric fruit just take over the egg and it's not really that eggy while you are mixing it. Now, if you're vegan and you do not want to use egg, you can actually make your flaxseed gel and add it to the pomegranate juice. And now, guys, let me show you exactly how to use this on your skin for best result. Now I'm going to apply the mask on this side of my face. Now I like to apply this in upward strokes as I'm showing here. Apply the mask in upward strokes, half a side of my face. And yes, you will smell the egg in this facial mask. So just apply in upward strokes as I'm showing here. Now, what are some of the benefits of this mask? This mask is definitely a firming and tightening facial mask. When you apply this mask to your face, it's going to lift and firm the skin. Therefore, if you have forehead wrinkles, apply this mask in upward strokes as I'm showing here. Now, this mask can also get rid of the wrinkles around your lips. So just apply it right on the upper lips, and also don't be afraid to apply it in upward strokes on the chin. Okay, and the next step is to sit with the mask on for at least 30 minutes. Okay, now this is what the mask will look like when it dry on the skin. As you can see, it's totally dried. So now I'm gonna rinse this off and I will be back to show you my result. Okay guys, I'm back with the result, and take a look for yourself. This is the face that I applied the facial mask, the tightening firming mask too, and this is the side that I did not apply the mask. So you be the judge. Take a look and see if you notice any difference just with one application. Personally, I notice a huge difference. I can see it and I can feel it. If you look at my cheekbones right here where my laugh line is, it's definitely not as deep as this one. And just look, let me keep quiet and take a look for yourself. Also, this side of my face is more lifted. It's almost like night and day. This is younger looking, this is fresher looking, while this side is more droopy, more dull looking. Just look for yourself, okay? And let me even smile for you to see the difference. Together. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, don't leave without hitting the subscribe button below and also the little bell at the side so that each time I upload a video, you will get a notification right away. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.